Okay, so what I want to show you today is this. It's simple once you understand the process. See, a lot of time we get questions here at Festool. I can't get my cord and hose wrapped into the top of the hose garage at the same time. Well, let me show you. Look right in here. I do have that in the Sustainer fit on top. What you want to do, you see where the hose is wrapped to the outside? Well, I take the cord out, okay, and let me show you the process. You make sure that the hose goes in first and is wrapped to the outside. And if you look in here, come in here and see this. See how this is open in here? What I do is I take this and I put the cord right here and I start it through this notch and I wrap it and I nestle it right into the middle like this so it nests just like this. And with a little bit of practice, you can do this lickety-split. I hope this helps.